Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ashikul Islam. I am a third year software engineering student at Daffodil International University. I was born and raised in Kumilla. I have completed my SSC from Kumilla City College School with GPA 4.28 and my SSC from Kumilla City College with GPA 4.58. I have a strong interest in cybersecurity. Learning how to project system, data and people from online threats really exist me. I also enjoy web development and competitive programming. I have hands-on experience in programming language like C++, Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and some Python. I regularly use tools like Git, GitHub, and VS Code in my work. During my academic journey, I have worked on few projects that helped me improve my skill in problem solving, software design and team collaboration. Currently, I am learning about data structure and algorithm, and I am also working to improve my English communication. Because in the future, I want to work globally in the tech industry outside study. I love exploring new technologies, watching tech content, and staying up to date with the latest trend. I always try to learn something new and grow step by step. I am eager to learn new technologies and grow as a software engineer. Thanks for watching my video resume.